CIPSEC is a project carried out in the context of the Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme, with a strong focus on the provision of adequate levels of protection for critical infrastructures to become highly cyber resilient. To do this, the CIPSEC consortium will create a unified security framework that orchestrates state-of-the-art heterogeneous security products. Working together, these assets will compose a high added value solution whose applicability will be shown in 3 different scenarios belonging to 3 different sectors with common and specific cybersecurity needs. These products will be supplemented with a complete security ecosystem of additional services that can support the proposed technical solutions to work reliably and with professional quality. These services include vulnerability tests and recommendations, key personnel training courses, updating and patching and contingency plans, to name but a few. 13 partners from 8 different countries will make this possible in a joint collaboration starting in May 2016 and lasting 3 years.
Critical infrastructures are an integrated part of our daily lives as they are used to provide services to citizens, businesses, and government. These services affect hundreds of millions of people, and they heavily rely on automated systems and ICT technologies. The CIPSEC project, with its 3 pilot activities on transportation, health, and environmental sensors, addresses all security and privacy-related aspects needed to better detect, identify, and mitigate threats. Critical infrastructure domains are closely interconnected. The CIPSEC framework, via domain-specific transformations, could be appropriately applied to other critical infrastructure domains as well. From a scientific point of view, a broad area of security and privacy issues are raised, explored, and addressed. Critical infrastructures include a plethora of components such as autonomous systems, integrated circuits, interlocking systems, embedded systems, various types of communication networks, and many other subsystems. These critical infrastructures, when ICT-enabled, are vulnerable to cyber attacks and threats. The CIPSEC consortium brings together extensive experience in the field of security and privacy and addresses all those aspects with critical infrastructure domains, specific extensions, and disseminates the results to both the research community as well as industry.
Deutsche Bahn AG is the biggest company for railway transportation in Germany and aims at becoming the worldwide leading mobility and logistics provider. The German railway infrastructure consists of more than 8,000 train stations and has a length of over 33,000 kilometers. This network is controlled by about 3,300 interlocking systems of various types. DB Netz AG, as the infrastructure provider of Deutsche Bahn AG, is responsible for building and maintaining the railway infrastructure and associated systems like interlocking, signaling systems, and other trackside equipment. Large parts of this infrastructure are categorized as part of the critical infrastructures according to German law. Due to the need for more performance and innovation, current signaling systems are facing the trends of digitalization, standardization, wide area networks, and the usage of COTS components. By this, IT security becomes an important part of these systems. We therefore participate as one of the pilot providers in the CIPSEC project to evaluate state-of-the-art solutions and services for the usage in a railway critical infrastructure and their ability to enhance the IT security of critical infrastructures.
Hospital Clinic of Barcelona belongs to the Catalan public hospital network. It includes almost all medical and surgical specialties and has a long-standing tradition of research, being internationally recognized as a reference institution. The hospital counts with several thousand of devices, both clinical and non-clinical, working both in a standalone and networking manner. The expanded use of networked technology will increase connectivity, giving significant benefits for care delivery and organizational efficiency. However, this also increases exposure to possible cybersecurity threats that require a hospital to evaluate and manage new risks. Hospital Clinic will provide 2 pilot demonstrative areas, fully operative, although with patients, where the CIPSEC partners will be able to test their developments. Both will be equipped with real functional equipment, one simulating a critical care box and the other one representing a technical room that includes a model of the non-medical controllers also installed in this sort of units. We expect to gain knowledge and experience facilitating to put in place new hardware and software products that could allow us to secure our facilities against possible cybersecurity threats without compromising the enormous possibilities offered by the integration and remote access of medical and non-medical devices.
CSI Piemonte, a consortium of more than 100 public administrations based in Piedmont region, will deal with the air quality environment monitoring system of the Regional Environment Protection Agency. Such system records 25 million data per year, which represent the base onto which environmental policies are built. Furthermore, Environment Network is interconnected to other regional public sector IT systems, such as applications and databases, resulting in an integrated environment. In a heavily interconnected scenario like the one CSI is managing, the impacts of an attack could often propagate from a web service to critical infrastructure data, so that extreme care must be taken in order to protect the system as a whole. Our role is to implement and thoroughly test the security solution devised by the CIPSEC consortium, as well as evaluate the cascading effects of a possible intrusion in critical infrastructures.